Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Automotive. Today we have the 2021 Trailblazer LT. This is the mid-range version. I'm going to take a quick walk around because it's very windy. I believe we just got this in on a truck today. So very, very unique experience. One I'm very glad to be able to provide to you guys. Back seat area. Hop inside. So this is a very, very unique interior. It's not like any other Chevrolets. Steering wheel's different. They definitely stepped up their game. Keep in mind this is the mid-range version. We still have the Active and the RS to go. That's how. You can remove that. Like I said, we got this in today, so we haven't been trained on it or anything yet. These are the first ones we've gotten. Oh, nice material on the dash. Really, really nice headliner. Vanity mirror. Good amount of back seat room. So the window sticker, I'm not even going to look at it because this was one of the first ones made, so they didn't release pricing or anything like that. But the LT should be around $24,000. So it's really, really good bargain for what you get. This is kind of similar to the Jeep Renegade. That's kind of what they were going for. I think it's vaguely based off of the Encore GX. Might be the similar platform. It definitely has the same motor, which is the 1.3 liter 3-cylinder Ecotec motor, which I believe is an upgraded motor. I'm not sure what the base motor is, but it's really, really nice. So let's go ahead and be the first people in the world to take this thing for a drive. Okay, not the first people in the world, but I think when this goes up, this is going to be one of the first driving videos of the Trailblazer. So if you're watching, thank you for tuning in. Feel free to subscribe. There's going to be more where this came from, especially now that I'm partnered with Quirk Auto Dealers. So any of our dealerships, once we get something fresh off the boat, I'll make sure to film it for you guys. Feel free to also leave requests for vehicles you want to see, pre-owned stuff, you know, any vehicle at all. Put it in the comments below. I read every comment, so just request away and I'll see what I can do. Overall, after driving it, I like it a lot. It is a lot of fun to drive. I thought it would be similar to the Trax, but it's definitely not. It's really kind of in a class on its own. I'm a huge fan of it, most definitely. Has abundant power. It is absolutely excellent. Visibility is fantastic as well. You're in a very upright position. You sit really, really high up off the road. So if that's what you're looking for, that's what you have here. Only similar vehicle to the way you're sat in here is a Jeep Wrangler. But even the Jeep Wrangler doesn't have nearly as good of visibility as this does. Handling is really, really good. Because of the short wheelbase, it's extremely nimble. And keep in mind, this isn't even the RS trim. We only have 2 in inventory right now as of, what's today's date? It's something. I believe it's like April 21st, 2020, that I'm filming this video. We only have an LS trim and an LT trim. This is the LT that we have. Not sure when we're going to be getting anything else. We don't have anything listed on our website that might be incoming. But then again, we list cars as we get them. Brakes are absolutely phenomenal. Tons of feel, and that I wasn't expecting. I wasn't expecting the brakes to be as good as they are. These seats are really, really comfortable. If I'm not mistaken, you can get leather seats. Like I said, I mean, this is the first one I've seen in person, so I'm as new to it as you guys are in a way. You also have radar cruise control and automatic collision warning. So if you were approaching to this guy that really... Ta-da! Wow, right on cue! That is your automatic collision warning. So if the vehicle detects that you might not be paying attention, or the car in front is slowing faster than you are, it will come up with a warning stating, hey, pay attention. And I'm not sure if you saw, but it will flash red lights right in your field of vision. There is no way you can miss that warning. Aha, that's why. Alright, so you can set the sensitivity to it. So that was a little bit too far away for my liking to be alerted, because I still have plenty of time to stop. So you can bring it closer to the vehicle so it won't alert you until you are right up on that car. I think where it's at is very good, because once you're on the brakes, the alert won't go off. It's only if you're just coasting and it senses that you're not slowing down fast enough and the distance is closing too fast is when it will go off. Do have manual mode, so let's give that a whirl. Okay, so now I'm starting to think this is the, believe this is the 10 speed out of the Blazer, or similar transmission. Alright, so heading on to our suspension test. Really good, especially for the off-road focused kind of looks and the way the suspension is. It's really, really good. Overall handling is absolutely phenomenal. I did not expect it to handle this good, but with the short wheelbase, nice nimble chassis, I mean, you're not, I don't know what I was expecting, why why it wouldn't be good. Alright, I'll take it through some stop and go traffic. Just because it's so new, this is probably going to be one of the first videos. I'm going to try to cater to everybody's desires. I'll take it through a few stop and go situations, and you can see what it's kind of like around town. I just took it out of sports mode, so this is your normal mode. So this is what the car would default to when you purchase it. Alright everyone, thank you so much for watching this video. If you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe. I'd love to have you in future videos. But once again, thank you so much, and I will see you all in the next one.